Hello friends, welcome to Venus Blue Roses. Today I'm here to show you a snack recipe, a fried snack which is my favorite, that is moong dal kachori. So today my friend is here, she is an amazing cook. So she will show us how to make this kachori. To make this we have to soak moong dal. I have taken this 1.5 cup. We have to soak one whole night. So these are the things we needed. Soaked moong dal 1.5 cup. Then besan or gram flour 1/3 cup, less than that. Then garam masala. Then some fennel seeds. Then we need maida or all-purpose flour. This is the garam masala I have used. So here goes the garam masala. According to your taste you can take. Then some fennel seeds, and these are the things we required to make this moong dal kachori. So let's begin. First heat some oil in a pan. Now let's start making the outer cover of this kachori. For that she is taking 1 cup of this maida or all-purpose flour. So now to it add some ajwain or carom seeds, salt. Make a hole. You'll be wondering why to make hole. Now to it add this hot fuming oil, boiling oil to it.
That much hot only.
It must be really hot, that bubbles must come, then only the dough will be soft. So this is the perfect temperature of the oil which we must add into this all-purpose flour. Let it cool. In the meanwhile, let's make the stuffing. For that we have heated one pan and added oil. Any oil you can use. Now to it add half tablespoon cumin seeds. Let it sizzle. To it add 1/3 cup gram flour or besan. Saute everything. There must not be any lumps. Saute everything together. The way she make the kachoris, I really love the taste. So when you are trying in home, try to follow the same proportion. It tastes really good. So now let it cook for some time, and going to add some turmeric powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder to it. Now half tablespoon fennel seeds. Saute everything.
I have to wait to change color. Okay. Now it shows brown a little bit. See? Now we can put this moong dal, which is 1.5 cup.
So with this water itself it will use.
Yes. According to taste or
Spice level.
yes. This is garam masala.
Now to it we are adding chili powder. According to your spice level you can add. If you want more spicy you can add more red chili powder. Now salt. Mix everything.
Garam masala, chili powder, according to your taste, you can increase it also.
Okay.
So outside is quite spicy.
Mix properly. This is the dry stuffing which will be going into the kachoris. Now we have to cook this in low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it and keep. In that steam itself it will get cooked. In the meanwhile we can make the outer cover or
So
dough.
this is now
So let's move on
we
to
have to
that.
mix it properly.
Now it's cool. So let's start making.
If you are confused how much we should put the hot oil in that, so there is a one trick. So after mixing well, we have to keep it like this. If like that happen, means oil should be proper.
Okay.
Proper oil we put already. If it's not, it's just like that only. If we are not able to make it, then oil is less.
We have to again put oil.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now while adding water, add little by little and make dough. Don't add too much of water. Otherwise dough won't be perfect. So now it's almost done. Now let's see our stuffing. It will be ready. See, now it's done. While this was cooking, nice aroma filled whole kitchen. The garam masala and moong dal smell was so
You
amazing.
have to check like this. If you want.
Sure.
Like this. It
Must
is
be
broke
a
also.
break. Okay.
Yes, it's break. It's done.
So now
It's
that's
already
done.
soaked. So
Filling must be cool enough, otherwise kachoris will tend to get break. So let's start making. Take it into equal parts and make in a ball shape.
anyway,
Now our filling also cooled. Take a little all-purpose flour.
we should not use this one too much, okay?
Okay.
While we are making.
Making. Okay.
Yes.
Now just see how she is making. It must not be too thin or too thick. Now there goes the stuffing. If stuffing is less, it won't taste good. So take proper stuffing, proper quantity of stuffing. Pinch it like that and roll it out.
Paper needed? Tissue needed.
Very lightly we have to press it. Not too thin.
Okay.
Otherwise
See?
it get like a rubber.
Now let's make all kachoris and
Try
see.
it. Yeah, I'll try.
It's very tasty snack which I really love. So do it like this. Initially when you are trying for the first time, better to take in lesser quantity and try. Okay, so it's done. Now let's fry everything. Heat the oil in a pan. Any oil you can take. Add 1 drop of dough and you can see it comes up. So the oil is perfectly hot. Put the flame in medium, not too low or too high. If the flame is too low, the kachoris tend to take oil, much oil. If it's more like flame is high, it will tend to only fry outer cover and it won't get cooked inside. So make sure the flame is in medium. Now let's fry all kachoris until it's golden brown outside. See, the beautiful kachoris are ready. You can serve this with mint chutney, coriander chutney, tamarind chutney, or else just tomato sauce. So here is the kachori. Now let's open and see how beautifully the stuffing went inside. The kachoris were really tasty, so give it a try and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more such videos, and remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos, you will get notified.